In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Face ID in GCash. If you prefer extra privacy on a shared device or simply want to go back to using your PIN every time you sign in, turning off biometrics is quick and straightforward. In GCash, Face ID and fingerprint login are grouped under something called biometric login. That means whether your phone uses Face ID, Face Unlock, or a fingerprint, you'll manage it from the same place. Start by opening the GCash app on your phone. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and be ready with your MPIN because once biometrics are off, you'll rely on that to access your account. From the main screen, go to the profile section. You'll usually find this at the bottom right of the app, and it looks like a person icon. This is where you can manage your account and app preferences. Next, open Settings. Look for the gear icon or the settings label inside your profile area. This is where GCash keeps security, privacy, and app behavior options. Inside Settings, find and tap Biometric Login. Depending on your device and app version, it might say Biometric Login or Biometrics Login, but it refers to the same feature. This screen controls whether GCash allows Face ID or other biometric methods during sign-in. Now, toggle off the Biometrics Login option. When you switch it off, GCash may display a short reminder that you'll no longer be able to log in using Face ID or your fingerprint. Confirm if prompted. After you do this, the app will require your MPIN when you log in moving forward. That's by design, and it's a good moment to make sure your MPIN is something you remember but others won't easily guess. A few quick tips to keep in mind. If you don't see the biometric login setting, make sure your GCash app is updated to the latest version. The wording can vary slightly across devices, but it's always within the settings area under your profile. If the switch looks disabled, that usually relates to your phone's device-level biometric setup. Even so, you can still turn biometrics off in GCash once the option is available. And if you change your mind later, you can come back to this same screen and turn biometric login on again anytime. That's it. You've successfully turned off Face ID in GCash. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you take control of your sign-in preferences with confidence and clarity.